Es un plan que se ha estado desarrollando ya por varios años.
The planning for this has been extensive. It started with Judge Davis as when he was presiding judge, and Judge Barton certainly continued that vision.
En tan solo una semana, el nuevo Centro de Recursos Legales, conocido en inglés como Law Library Resource Center, abrirá sus puertas al público.
We've had to look at what would really be efficient and what would work to make sure people were welcomed, felt comfortable in this space.
La mayoría de los recursos que actualmente están disponibles en los primeros 3 pisos del edificio del Este estarán disponibles en el espacio recientemente renovado que previamente se le conocía como Change of Venue.
What's really new is we have our own training room and our own conference room so that we hope that we can, one, provide training here and work with the other counties. For example, Coconino right now is broadcasting legal resources and legal talks, and we want to make those available to our patrons.
El centro tendrá el doble del número de computadoras disponibles que permitirán acceso público a documentos de la Corte, y estos monitores instalados a través del centro mostrarán información sobre recursos y talleres.
All of these cubicles that you can see, these and the next row, will all have computers on them that will have public access to all of our resources, all of our forms. They can print from here, and they'll have access to all the legal research information as well if they want to do that here.
Al llenar los formularios, las personas podrán registrar estos documentos bajo el mismo techo.
And so the clerk of the court, which is an independent entity, but they have agreed to help out the community to have an actual filing desk here so that people filing for dissolution of marriage or people filing those orders of protection don't have to walk all the way to the main clerk's office. They can file it right here.
Grandes hileras de estantes para libros proveerán acceso a la colección impresa de la Corte Superior del Condado de Maricopa, incluyendo documentos históricos y leyes estatales.
So this is the reference desk. As you can see, we've got shelves. Those will mostly be for what we refer to as ready reference books that we use all the time, form books, the state statutes, the court rules.
Una área separada ha sido designada para asistir a víctimas de violencia doméstica quienes buscan información sobre órdenes de protección.
It is still in kind of a separate area because we want to make sure that people who have been traumatized or need that help have a space they can go where they feel separate. There's a domestic violence advocate co-located here, and they have an office right near the area where the protective orders are processed.
El nuevo centro abrirá sus puertas al público el próximo 9 de enero.
It's just going to be so different, but so exciting to have all of the resources available that we've talked about having for quite some time.